Eating disorders are often long-term mental and physical illnesses. There are 3 broad types of eating disorder: anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, binge eating disorder. Although many people with an eating disorder are young women, women and men of all ages can develop one. There is no one cause linked to developing an eating disorder. Cognitive behavioural therapy, CBT, is the most common therapy for bulimia. It helps to help the person challenge their negative thoughts about themselves with the intent of changing them.